Good afternoon, Steve Perkins in West Texas. Today I want to talk a little bit about how easy it is to use the My Lead Gen secret to send out. My list right now is getting close to 200,000 members on it. But as you build, you add, when you join My Lead Gen secret, you get 100 leads, fresh leads every day. Now, the issue is you need to learn how to market by email, and so you want to make sure that you're learning as you go. There's tools in here, and I think I went over it yesterday, where when you want to send emails out, you want to go over here to the mailing system. It'll tell you because you can only mail once every 24 hours. Well, it'll tell you what to do, but before you start mailing, you need to go in here to this mailings System 101 training. It tells you how to use the My Lead Gen secret to its maximum ability, and then you need to learn from those. All of you get emails from people that have been around for years that are very good at writing emails and experts. Learn what they're doing. Learn to be an expert at sending emails. Now, I'm not professing to be an expert yet, but I'm learning. And once I watched this video, I've been a member for almost 3 years now on this. I have two accounts. The first account, the account that I'm on now, I've been on it almost 3 years. And while I've been doing it, there's been a few times where I was unable to send for a long period of time because of sickness or not available. My computer wasn't available or various things. But the leads keep coming every day, 100 leads a day. Once you register a paid member, an affiliate of yours, it goes to 200. It costs you $30 a month. That's $1 a day. That's 1 cent because a lead because you get 3,000 leads a month. And if you've got an affiliate and a paid member affiliate, it's 2 cents. It costs you a half a cent a lead because you get 6,000 leads a month. And the leads are yours to use however you need to use them, and you can build your own list through this. So today I thought I'd show you how easy it is to send a lead or send an email through My Lead Gen secret. First of all, you log in. I'm logged in already. I'm on my home. That's my affiliate link right there. And so you go to mailing system. You look down here at the bottom. And if there is no timer here, it means you can send an email. One of the things I like about My Lead Gen secret is you can save your emails. And I have a lot of emails already. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use an email that's already in the system so that you can use it. And you can edit it at any time as you're going through. So this is one I sent yesterday. So all you do is put down on the drop-down box. And I think I think this is one. I looked at one earlier, and I think that's the one. All you have to do is click on the subject of the saved email, click it, and it will automatically load your email. Now I'm gonna edit this a little bit, and I want to read through this. First of all, I ever wanted to start the subject line is your next move could change everything. So let's see what it says. Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly, I can't talk today, multiple income streams? Well, yeah, there's a lot of people that are making hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars every month on multiple income streams. How do they do that? Well, the secret's out. It's easier than you think. There's no gimmicks, no fluff, no exaggerated claims. Just a straight path to boosting your earnings. Curious that they should be. The secret is here. And it's that. So let's go up here and let's see if I want to change anything. I'm going to highlight that and let's bold that a little bit and maybe italicize it. Ever wondered how some people seem to be to effortlessly jungle? Okay, let me go here, and I've got my Chat GPT. I can seem to juggle effortlessly. it kind of rolls off the tongue a little better, multiple income streams. And I do use ChatGPT and some AI tools that are free that I use to help with my emails. Now the secret is out, so you're thinking this up. And the secret is here. And then then I sign it. But I wanna add a photo this time. So I go in here and I click in photo. So now what do I do? Now and you'll learn this if you go through the Mailing System 101 training. There is a company, from what I found out is that every photo that you have on your computer has a URL. And so you can store those in a thing called Imager, which is a free service that has a paid thing, but I just use the free service. And you go in here and I want to go to my images. So I have several images on here, and let's use, this is one of the more recent ones. I want to use that image. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I need to go back to my mailing system here. Okay, let's go here, and I want to put a photo in. So I highlight photo, and I go here and click photo. It's looking for a URL to my image. I go to Imager. I copy my direct link, which is the direct link to this photo that is on my computer. It's on the internet. I go back over here and I click there and I add it. Now, your image, you don't want to make it so big. And you can get this again in the little training. If you can spend 30 minutes watching the training, I guarantee you will write better emails, and I guarantee your response will be much, much better. So I'm going to make that 190 by 190 is normal, and I want to make it a little smaller than that. And you put in your width of 160 and the height, and then you hit OK. Look what happened. I have my image there. You can put a logo there, and you can make it clickable if you want to. So anyway, the system is like a backstage pass to the income concert of the year. Don't miss out. All right, so that's all that. Now I want to go on here. These highlighted, blue highlighted, are my link that I want to, if they can click on that link, and I put that in. I want to change that. Today is 7/31, so I'm going to put the date that I sent this particular email out, so that when the link goes to this, when people click on that link, it tells me what day that I sent my email out, that it went, that people responded. And you always want to put it into a new window, and that way when you go through. So anyway, I want to go down. I want to change all of these links. Okay. And if wasn't a highlighted link, this is a pre-written email. You can go in here and just add your own. 7/31. Okay. And we'll go down here to this one. Change it. As you can see, it's easy to use this system. Even if you didn't, I'll show you. I can show you on another deal here. Now, I've got all of that done. I want to preview, so I preview that. I go in here. There we go. And it gives you your whole email. Your next move can change everything. Ever wondered how some people seem to juggle effortlessly multiple streams of income streams? Well, the secret's out, and it's easier than you think. No gimmicks, no fluff, no exaggerated claims. Just a straight path to boosting your earnings. Curious yet? You should be. The secret is here. And click, and this is what the people will see when they get your email. There's my image, and go to the system and back to the Now let's check our link. Click on that link. There's the URL that it goes to. That one works. Let's go to here. Click that one. There's the URL again. And click on this one. And there it is again. So as you can see, all of my links work. Everything goes. Now there's a couple ways you can set it. This little perfect timing. If your account is new, you might want to click on that I mean, what it does is when you click on it, it pretty much it sets up the email to arrive approximately at the same time that the lead that it's going to opened the lead in the first place, or join whatever lead organic lead collection service that My Lead Gen Secrets have. It sends that basically the same day that that client usually opens their email, because this is worldwide. So it may be 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in at your place here in the United States, but it may be 3 o'clock in the morning on the other side of the world. So if you wanna send it so they open it up. Most people open. A lot of people open like first thing in the morning or at noon or after they get off work, whatever. You can click that. I found that it doesn't really. I kind of have been doing this. So you go up here. Now here's all my leads. This is all the leads. You can see I'm getting 200 leads a day. Click that. I have 175,900 leads. And I go down here. I've previewed it. I've looked at all the things. Now I want to send it. It's that easy. Click that, and it's sending. A lot of leads. It takes a while to send. There you go. My message has been queued, and it actually says every 23 hours. So I can mail again 23 hours from now. I can mail another email to 175,000 plus members. So if I want to see that it got sent, I go to statistics. 175,900 went out. Of course, it hasn't arrived, so there's no clicks on it yet. And I find that sometimes these numbers, the open rate goes up sometimes a week or so later with some of the people that are joining. So anyway, that's how easy it is to send an email through. And now, one of the things I like to do. Well, let's just forget that. That's how easy it is to send an email through My Lead Gen Secrets. Now let's review a little bit. My Lead Gen Secret is an organic lead producing system that collects 100 to 200 leads a day for you. For $30 a month or $1 a day, you get 100 leads per day. Once you have some affiliates, I have a few affiliates, and once you have some paid affiliates, you get a bonus leads of 100. So you get 200 leads that day. They accumulate. You can go click over here, and all the leads from the very time that I first joined this back in November of 2021 are stored here. I can load those to my own autoresponder and training systems, multi-level marketing system, any follow-up system that I want. I can download those to that. The key to sending good email with My Lead Gen Secret is to put in a lead capture page to your autoresponder or to an offer you do. Some people have success by sending a direct link to their affiliate offers, such as ClickBank, Warriors Plus, or whatever. But the key is to write enticing emails that have been worked over, that have been edited. Sometimes you can take the same email, change the subject line, and you get a better open rate. Learn from trial and error. And once you start doing that, people are earning thousands of dollars every day on affiliate offers on like ClickBank, Warriors Plus, and others. And you can start building your system. But these are fresh leads every single day. Every business needs fresh leads. The system is easy to use, it's easy to learn, and it's easy to send emails, as I just showed you. And I want to show you over here promo tools. You go over here, you have four different sales pages or leads capture pages or for My Lead Gen Secret. You earn money as an affiliate down 5 levels. It's $5 a month on level 1, 4 on level 2, 3, 2, 1 down to level 1. And if you sign 5 new confirmed members in a week, you get an extra $100 bonus every week when you sign 5 new members that week. So it's easy to earn and build your list thing. It gives you some 10 sample emails you can send out to promote My Lead Gen Secret. It gives you text ads you can use to promote My Lead Gen Secrets, banner ads, and all of that. Now, on this account, I do have there is an option that you can buy into the master email swipes. It's an extra $30. When you join My Lead Gen Secrets, it's $30 to join the system and $30 admin fee to start. Then if you want to add, it doesn't have to be that day, but maybe later you want to add the other 30, you get 30 master sweeps that you can use for any email. You can use them as they are, or what I do a lot of times, I will take and copy them, put them in a chat GP, chat AI system and rewrite them so that they can fit whatever I am marketing, or maybe I want to just promote My Lead Gen Secrets on another mailing system or another autoresponder that I have as a bonus for a solo ad. And there. So My Lead Gen Secrets is worth the money that you pay for it. I mean, I've spent as much as $120, $130, $150 for 200 or 300 clicks on solo ads, only to find out that most of the time the clicks are not real opens, or they don't really go any farther than just clicking the link in your email, or they don't convert very well, or whatever. With My Lead Gen Secrets, you have an opportunity every day to send out leads to your mailing list for $1 a day. And like I've already shown you on this particular account, I have almost 176,000 leads. So take a look at this. There'll be links in the bottom of this video. Go to that, find out what it is. There are links to this and links to promote and some of the other funnels that I use. My Lead Gen Secret is not my number one business. I have other businesses that I do. Live Good is my number one business, and I have a couple of funnels that I use to promote that business. So links for those are there. Start building your list today. Without a list, you're kind of dead in the water in affiliate marketing and online marketing. So have a great day. Be blessed and prosperous. If you don't belong to this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share it with your friends. Share it with your downline. Share it with your people. Start it today and start getting fresh leads daily for a half a cent to a penny a piece, and start building your business. Thank you for watching. It's been Steve Perkins in West Texas, wishing you a blessed and prosperous day. Have a great day, and we'll